10th Physical Science lesson classification of elements, the periodic table. Topic: Dobereiner's law of Triads Newlands law of octaves. Dobereiner, Newlands, both of them are scientists, and they discovered the law of triads and law of octaves. So before going to learn about the law of triads and law of octaves, we learn about the definition of element given by scientist Robert Boyle. An element that cannot be decomposed into a simple substance by a physical or chemical change. Suppose we decompose the H2O compound, then H2O decomposed into hydrogen and oxygen. But again we cannot decompose the hydrogen into simple substance and oxygen into simple substance. So that is the definition of a element. At this time 13 elements are known, next 11 elements, next 63 elements in 1865. Totally natural elements 91, synthetic elements 17 are discovered at that time. Natural elements means the elements which are obtained from the earth. They are called natural elements. The elements which are prepared in the laboratory by the people, they are called synthetic elements. Totally 108 and another 10 elements, 118 elements are found at present in the world. So many elements are there in the world. So scientists cannot identify the properties, physical properties and chemical properties each of elements. So they want to group the elements. Scientists wants to group the elements on the basis of their physical and chemical properties. During this moment, Dobereiner comes first and gave the relation between the properties and atomic weight. So first scientist, the name Dobereiner, group the elements. Depends on the atomic weight and the properties also. So Dobereiner's law of triads. So here one word, scientific word is triads. So Dobereiner used the word triads. Triads means 3 elements are taken here. So full name is Wolfgang Dobereiner. 1828, the Dobereiner found the law of triads. Triads means 3 elements are taken by the Dobereiner scientist. So here table is given. Elements in each row represent a triad. Each row. So here we can see the each row. 3 elements are given here. And groups also there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups are there. And so here 3 elements can be seen here. So first group, lithium, sodium, potassium taken. Second, calcium, strontium, barium is taken. Third group, chlorine, bromine, iodine is taken. Fourth group, sulfur and selenium, tellurium taken. Fifth group, magnesium, chromium, iron is taken. So along these elements, atomic weight is also given here. So you first observe, first lithium atomic weight and potassium atomic weight is added and divided by 2, then we getting the average atomic weight of elements lithium and potassium. So these 23 is equal to the second element sodium atomic weight. Okay, next one, calcium. Barium average atomic weight is 88. So this 88 is near to atomic weight of strontium, 88. Next, chlorine and iodine average atomic weight is 81. So this also nearer to the bromine atomic weight. Next one, sulfur and tellurium average weight is 78. So this is equal to the selenium atomic weight. Next one, magnesium iron average atomic weight is 52. So this is equal to the atomic weight of chromium atomic weight. So like that, the Dobereiner's laws of triads about all these triads process. So drawbacks are, this law is there, they are called limitations. So remaining elements could not be arranged in the form of triad. So in law of triad process only some elements are successfully get the result, but above the elements, the remaining elements could not be arranged in form of triad. Next one, triad law unable to remain valid because modern techniques improved for measuring atomic masses. So many modern techniques are found this time. So this triad law unable to remain valid. Next process, Newland law of octaves. So Newland found the law of octaves. Octaves means 8 elements. And Newland scientists also take the atomic weight of elements. So here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 numbers. So 1, 8, 2, 9, 3, 10, 4, 11. Like that, first element and eighth element properties are same. 2, 9 elements properties are same. 3, 10 properties are same. Like sa, ri, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa. So here 1 note and 8 note, same notes are there. So like that, here also we can see the first and second element has a same properties. So when elements are classified in the increasing order of their atomic weights, then every eighth element resembles in its property with the first element, just like a musical note. So here also we can observe the musical note sa, sa. Like that, here also one first element and eighth elements has a same properties. So here we can see the elements are arranged increasing order of their atomic weights. Hydrogen, lithium, gold, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. So numbers also given here. Okay. So first row, second row, third, like that. So when we observe all these elements, so first row we which elements are there? Hydrogen, fluorine. So all these properties are similar. as a gas. Hydrogen is a gas, fluorine is a gas, chlorine is a gas. So the properties of elements are is similar as a gas. Next one, lithium, sodium, potassium. So they are appearing as a metals. Okay. But here also we can see the limitations. Cobalt and nickel kept in a same slot, same room. Only this room we observe the two elements are there in the same room, same slot, cobalt and nickel. This is a drawback of Newland law of octaves. Next one, Newland law is successful up to 20 elements, not fit for above elements. So here so many elements are there, but this law of octave successfully get results up to 20 elements, hydrogen to manganese. So totally only these elements, these law of octaves gets successful result. Above elements not fit for this law of octaves. Okay. Next one, Dobereiner only form a groups of elements with three elements called triad. So here we can see what is the meaning of triad means. Three elements are taken. Okay. So when Dobereiner form a groups of elements with three elements, so this is called triad. And octave, law of octave means here the first element and the eighth element has a same properties. So this is called Newland law of octaves. Okay.